to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Today we are heading to Big Bend, which I am absolutely thrilled about. This might actually be a two-part vlog. I am so excited to get over there. I've been wanting to go to this national park for so long. It's a fairly remote national park, and it's just kind of out of the way of a lot of things. So I made a special point that this was, really the first one in my mind that I'm hitting on this trip, because Saguaro was nice, but I've been there so many times. Big Bend was really, it was at the top of my list of places I wanted to see. So we got some pretty cool things to see on the way. We're gonna stop at this town called Marfa, which should be pretty cool. Terlingua, get over to the Big Bend State Park, and then end up over in Big Bend. I have no idea how long this is gonna take, because there is a lot to see along the way. And we're about 75 miles from Marfa, which will be our first stop. We do need to just grab gas real quick. We stayed in a hotel last night, which was nice. I got a little bit of work done, did some laundry. I got my socks airing out on the back of the bike. It was just kind of a nice relaxing morning. Had a little coffee, did some work on the computer, had breakfast. Now we're just going to get gas, and then we're gonna hit the road. I am super excited to go see Big Bend. We're about 3 miles from Marfa now. What you're seeing right now is pretty much what I've been looking at for the last hour. We just did about 75 miles, and I felt like I was kind of on a treadmill. I'm feeling extremely grateful though that it's not over 110 degrees today, because this place definitely has the potential to get really hot. It's actually only 84 right now. This is a neat little town. They got coffee roasters and coffee shops. It's very, it reminds me almost of Jerome, where you get like remnants of the original town, but then there's like new hip things in there. Beer garden. It's such a cool mix, and surprisingly crowded. It's a pretty neat hotel. Wow. It's like a cool church. English natives from the early 1870s. So turns out this is a pretty cool town. I wanted to see the Prada Museum, or the Prada store in the middle of nowhere. I was looking for it, but I didn't realize it was outside of town, and I drove right by it. It's about 30 miles back, and I just don't think I have the time to go back and see it. Apparently that's what put Marfa on the map, at least in modern times. But it's a pretty cool place. There's a lot of art installations. Unfortunately, this place, the wrong store, it looks pretty neat in there, but they're actually closed today and tomorrow. There's huge bumblebees. I guess it's true everything is bigger in Texas. These things are outrageous. Anyways, this place looks pretty cool, but it's closed. We're gonna go check out another art installation place. What? This is pretty cool. Now we're gonna go check out what's called the Chinati Foundation. Thank you.
Coming in?
Yeah, how much is it to do a tour?
Sir?
How much is it to do a tour?
How much is it?
Yeah.
I don't think they're charging anything today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we wanted to go.
You can park your bike right there or right there.
Okay, and
Wherever you want to.
oh, we can just walk around in there?
Yes, sir. I'll be here all till
Oh, you can keep an eye on the bikes for us?
You can park them right there if you want to.
Awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Some of these guidance so you can go in.
Great, thank
I
you.
don't want any backpacks or cameras.
Okay, no problem. Well, unfortunately there's no cameras in here, and as much as I'm sure I could get away with it, I wouldn't really feel right about that. So I did find some pictures on Google. You guys should check it out. I'll let you know if it's worth seeing though. Okay, I'm vlogging, don't talk to me. If you want to be in it, you can be.
Oh, I didn't know this, so I think I can do it.
So this place was definitely pretty interesting. They took basically an old barracks and turned it into a contemporary art exhibit, essentially. I don't want to give too much away. It's a pretty interesting way that the artists connected the environment, the architecture, and the designs that they were creating. So something to check out. It's a good excuse to come out to Marfa, which is a pretty cool town. I definitely wish we had more time here. But we're trying to get to Terlingua, and it's looking like we got some storms rolling in. So we probably want to hit the road pretty soon. Oh, look at this little bunny. Where'd he go? So we're gonna go check out this one more building as part of the art exhibit. And then we're gonna have to hit the road. It's getting a little toasty warm too to be walking around in these black pants and boots. It looks like it's 4 o'clock. We're an hour from the next gas station, and we'll kind of figure out the camping situation from there. Wow, this wind is pretty nuts. Getting a little bit of a break from it with this hill blocking it, but I was getting blasted a minute ago. Yep, there it is. Oh yeah. That'll keep you on your toes. Woo. Oh yeah. There it is. Oh crap. Gets the heart racing. So much sky here. I mean, look, it's raining over there and we're in the sun. I mean, it's just, you got to be able to see. I mean, that's got to be 50 miles that way at least that you can see. What'd you say? What? What?
This has to be one of the top motorcycle roads in the country.
Yeah, and you didn't want to come here.
You're flying.
Oh, it was a blast, dude. I'm like up off the seat and everything. This is just so much fun.
Me, I'm up,
Yeah.
but then I freak because I can't see anything.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. This isn't Big Bend yet, is it?
No, we're not even in the national park yet. This is just the state park.
Oh, this is the state park you
Yeah.
want to come through? Oh. It's beautiful.
So I saw some river access. It's absolutely gorgeous. This road is so much fun. These hills and my butt's getting lifted up off the seat and then pushed down real hard and twisting and turning, and it's like a roller coaster. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. And this is only the state park. We're not even in the national park yet. I'm just beside myself right now. Look at this water. This is incredible. I am pretty sure that that's Mexico right on the other side of the river. This is breathtaking. I mean, I'm having the time of my life right now. This is so wonderful. This place is incredible. I knew there was a reason. I really, really, really wanted to come here. I mean, this place was really calling to me. I had a feeling about this one, and it is beyond my expectations. This is my kind of place for sure. Perfect for motorcycles. Get my flip-flops and my towel. Take a little dunk. I've been waiting, I don't know, 3 or 4 days that I've been on the road to find water I can swim in like this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. About to see
Oh, that feels great.
distractions.
It's so refreshing. Alright, well, I think I'm going to wrap this video up here. I gotta go find a campsite. Like I said, there's going to be a multi-part series, probably 3 episodes of just exploring this Big Bend area. So I'll pick up the next episode where we're leaving off here, going to find a campsite, hopefully making it to Terlingua tomorrow. And then off to see Big Bend National Park, which should be pretty phenomenal based on how this is going. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. That way you don't miss anything whenever I post something new related to my perpetual travel, or I'm still going to do motorcycles, camping, travel, and adventure, tips, tricks, reviews. Right here.